Be happy with what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided you. Subhanallah. Allah ta'ala says, you will not, He doesn't look at your appearance, nor does He look at your body, what size it is, how big it is, how built you are. You go to the gym 24/7 every day. You can have a 12-pack, let alone 6-pack. Each of those 6 can be divided into 2 depletions, mashallah. But that doesn't mean you're close to Allah. Allah doesn't look at that. That's for your benefit. In fact, the strange thing is, I just came to my mind now. When you do that, it's for people to look at, but for Allah look at, there is something else. Amazing, amazing. The outward of that, the outward appearance, your makeup, your body, your physique, your size, you're worried about it because of others looking at you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, hang on. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, hang on. That's for others to look at. For me, that's not what I'm going to look at. I'm going to look at 2 things. Number 1, your hearts, and number 2, your deeds. So you better have a good hearts and you better have a good deeds.